Unlocking the phrase, I hope you like it, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and heartfelt phrase in the English language. I hope you like it. Whether you're giving a gift, sharing your work, or presenting an idea, this phrase is a wonderful way to express your feelings and hopes regarding how someone will receive what you're offering. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some variations to help you understand and use it confidently in your conversations. Stay with us to enhance your English expression skills. I hope you like it is a simple yet profound expression. At its core, this phrase conveys the speaker's desire or wish for the listener's approval or enjoyment of something that is being offered or presented. Breaking it down, I hope expresses a desire for something to happen. You refers to the listener or the person receiving the offer or gift. Like it indicates a positive reaction or acceptance of what is being given. It's a phrase filled with anticipation and vulnerability, as the speaker is essentially expressing concern for the recipient's satisfaction. This phrase can be used in various contexts, making it incredibly versatile. Here are a few common scenarios. Giving a gift. When you give someone a present and are uncertain about whether they will appreciate it. Sharing creative work. Offering your artwork, writing, or any creative project for someone's review. Presenting a proposal or idea. In professional settings, when introducing a new concept or plan to colleagues or clients. Serving food. When you've cooked a meal or baked something for others, expressing hope that they will enjoy the taste. In each of these situations, I hope you like it adds a personal touch, showing that you care about the receiver's feelings and opinion. Understanding different ways to express the same sentiment can enrich your English communication. Here are some variations. I hope it meets your expectations. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's to your liking. I trust you'll find it satisfactory. Each of these variations adjusts the level of formality and the nuance of what is being hoped for, allowing for flexibility depending on the context and your relationship with the listener. I hope you like it is more than just a phrase. It's a bridge that connects the giver and the receiver, laden with hope and care. We hope this video helps you grasp not only the meaning behind this simple phrase but also encourages you to use it and its variations with confidence in your daily interactions. Remember, expressing hope and concern for others' feelings is a beautiful part of human connection. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English learning content. See you in the next video.